my first step was to get my tools and materials from Home Depot. I would have it all listed in the description box below. And then the next step was to draw out the sides of the photo booth so that I know the length of the wood that I need, the 2x3s, in order to make my frame. So this is me cutting and laying out my 2x3s so that I can screw them all up with wood screws. So I was just measuring to be sure I have the right length and all. And it wasn't easy because it was winter and I had to work from my garage because I don't have a proper a proper workstation, and I don't have a work table or something that I could use. But you can see that I had to bend down a lot, which wasn't comfortable, but I knew I had to get this done, right? And you can see the frames I had made for the other sides, hanging by the side of the garage. And then next step, I covered the frames with my plywood. That was one mistake I made. I should have used MDF because the plywood made my photo booth very, very heavy. And then I covered the holes with my wood filler. I sanded the wood, and I put my plexiglass, and now it's time for me to paint it. I'm just removing the covering from my plexiglass so I can paint the wood. And so now here I'm just covering the sides of the plexiglass with the painter's tape so that I don't get paint on it. And this is me painting the photo booth. It was a lot of work, but I took my time. You can actually finish this in 2 weeks, in a week, depending on your schedule. I have a 9 to 5 that I do, and so I could only spare 2 to 3 hours every day, every work day, and then I worked on it during the weekends as well. So after painting, I fixed the lights in it, and then this is me and my hobby trying to fix the vinyl on the plexiglass. And yeah, this is me taking off the covering from the vinyl, and it came out beautifully well. I am so proud of my work, considering that this is the first wood work I'll be doing, and it's a very big one. It's 8 by 6 feet, and the client was really, really, really wowed. This is the photo booth when I set it up at the client's venue. Thank you for watching. Bye.